Hey there, Sean Bailey, and welcome to this video where today I'm going to show you kind of a little trick, just a way to kind of optimize your funnels, right? Now, when you think about a sales funnel, when you see a picture of it, it's always like, it looks like a funnel. It's wide at the top, and then it kind of narrows as it goes down, meaning that, you'll get like a lot of people will opt in to your squeeze page, and then less people will go and actually click through your sales page, and less people will actually go and click through your order page, and less people will actually become buyers. So it kind of narrows as it goes. So if you can take steps out of the way, because click-through rates kind of go through the more steps there are to your funnel, what if you can kind of remove a few steps, or remove a step at least in your funnel? Instead of a 3-step funnel, you got a 2-step, or instead of a 4-step, now it's 3. So I'll show you kind of what I mean here. I saw this trick before, and I took advantage of it, and I'm going to show you how to do it yourself. So let's take a look here. So inside here, this funnel builder, I'll show you exactly what the funnel will look like here. So if we look at all the pages, oops, let's go pages. So first we had, of course, it was an opt-in page. So let's add that. Next we have, it was a sales page here. After that, we had the order page. And then there was an upsell. And we had a thank you page once the purchase has gone through. And of course, this leads to a members area where the actual content was. So we take a look at this. So this was we'll call this one the OFA funnel. This is essentially what I built after I did my OFA challenge. Okay, so I added in a PDF report. That's what they get as well once they opt in. So as far as the flow, they get this. This comes actually in an email. So I think we can add a little email icon. There's a whole bunch of nifty ones here. There we go. And then they'll get a link to the report in an email. And changing up the typical flow, instead of having this sales video and then we've got our call to action button to have them click through and take them to another page, what we want to do instead is change this up. So let's move this here, move this one up here a bit, and create kind of an alternative path here. So instead of this, what we want to do is set up, we'll go to pages here, and we're going to go with, okay, so let's take a look at what we've set up here. So you can see we've kind of we've got the alternative path here with the dotted lines. So what I've done here is I kind of put these two pages on top of each other because this is our order page hybrid. So what this is a combination of your VSL page, your sales page, and your order page. So here's how to set it up so that it all works properly. So on the thank you page, what we've got here is essentially a thank you page with a magic button. So what that means is after they opt in, they're going to land onto our hybrid page, which is the sales page and the order page kind of combined into one. So when they land on the page initially, all they're going to see is some messaging at the top that says, hey, your free report's on the way. And then we've got a video on the page that's going to start playing. So that we know from our VSL, as far as the timing of this video, about when it transitions into the offer. This video should be, like a content-laced video, an education-based marketing video, and then at a certain point, when it transitions to the offer, we know as far as the timing on the button, we can have that button appear at 3 minutes and 37 seconds if we want here. So there's nothing for them to click on, just the video and the messaging on the page saying thank you for requesting the free report. And then we've got it set up specifically at a certain time for the button to appear. Now that button, all that does is that doesn't take them anywhere from the page. All that button does is shows the order section, which is hidden underneath. So when they click on the button, boom, now the order form's there for them to go and take action and purchase and become a customer if they want. So now we've got this awesome dual purpose page. So that's great because it's one less click needed. As we've seen with the layout of a funnel, the more steps to it, the less people that actually go through. So if we can kind of optimize and just kind of 2 for 1 on our page here, and with one less click needed, we can get them closer to taking action and becoming a customer, which is ideally what we want with our funnels here. So if you haven't built your funnel and you want to see the first funnel that you should build, go ahead and click on the video in the corner. And after you watch that awesomeness, you can go and binge watch the rest of my channel. And I will see you in the next video.